Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore some of the very cool things in our Roof Wizard software. Today I want to look at realigning the annotation of the panels. This is controlled under the Allowances button. Notice here that all those dimensions all sort of bang over the top of each other, impossible to read. So if we go to Allowances, and in here you've got an option to move text for panels shorter than. Well, let's say we make that shorter than 4 feet. So any panel shorter than 4 feet, we hit OK and then re-annotate the panels. Everything shorter than 4 feet jumps outside the box, making it so much easier to read. So there we go, quick and simple, and don't have to do much work at all, and it's all set to go. Thank you. See you next time on Feature Friday.